Okay, so what is the greatest advantage that you can have in life and business? It's the ability to influence your mind. And I'm gonna stop right there and tell you, influencing your mind is really not about focus. It's really about the ability to influence your mind to get what you want. Now, why is it that in schools, they never teach any of these subject matters? You might take biology class, they'll teach you what the brain is and tell you there's something called the mind, psychology, and say, well, here's how the mind works. But why is nobody teaching you that when you wanna get ahead in sports, in business, in life, it's about the right mindsets at the right time? Now, I want you to think about that for a second. I didn't say mindset, I said mindsets, because one mindset you might need to jump out of bed in the morning, another mindset you might need to make a loving relationship, another mindset you might need to be a visionary in business, and they never created the class. I figured I might as well create it with you, and we get to do this together. So later this week, doing a very special training, super excited to share it with you. It is about how to influence your mind. It's free, it's open to the public, and I'm telling you, in less than an hour, you are gonna walk away with understanding how to have an unstoppable mind, how to figure out the right mindsets at the right time. Look forward to working with you. I'm super excited to share with you the course that never got created, and we get to do this together. Let's influence your mind together.